Hi guys, good morning. So ayan,
morning.
papunta kami ngayon sa Tagpuan Campsite sa Tanay
Tanay
Rizal. And ayun, kasama namin yung mga friends namin, si Marky, April, and Gio. Ayan. So ayan, see you na lang later. Bye! So ayan, dahil wala daw dalang damit si Gio, pumili muna kami dito sa palengke ng pamalit niya. Hi. At eto namang friend namin, ayan, bumili ng ice box. Siyempre kami ni April, bili-bili muna ng ipet. At eto, buko muna para sa mainit na panahon. Ayan, so inom muna tayo, love. Love it, sarap ng buko. Ayan, see you na lang later ulit sa aming mga adventure moving forward. Siyempre ako, hindi mawawala ng buko dito, inom muna.
Okay, so we're here now in Tagpuan Campsite here in Tanay Rizal. After 1.5 hours of travel, actually if you're gonna, once again, if you're gonna bring your own car, make sure it's fit because part of around 5 kilometers of the road leading up to the campsite is off-road. Well, the good thing is, though it's off-road, though it's not concrete, it's still flattened and hard rocks. So we'll check out the campsite and we'll tell you how it is, and we're gonna enjoy the day. See you later.
See you!
They also have this hanging bamboo bridge that we need to cross to get to the top, which is the campsite itself.
Ice candy! Ano po dito kung mag-ice candy, no?
They also have ushers that will help you with your camping gear. Of course, I don't know if it's part of the service itself. We'll let you know later. Sup?
Yo!
Kaya pa?
Parang nakangayaw na ako. Ang taas.
So we finally arrive here at our tent, which the tent that we got is an 8-person tent. So this is priced at around 3,500 per night. There are also bed fixtures that you can avail. For the bed fixtures, it's gonna be 250 per bed. So all in all, the rental for the tent cost us about 4,000 pesos. What's nice is the location of this place is located way top with a very, very beautiful mountain view. So if you're getting this type of tent or whatever tent that they offer, it doesn't come with its own restroom. So the restroom is that place, and it's gonna be a little trek downwards.
So ayan, pagdating, nagluto na kami ng lunch namin, saing, and then ihaw ng hotdog, talong, gagawa ng ensalada. Tapos yun, pagkaligo namin, we decided to start the inuman na rin. Syempre, yung highlight. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa camping ang bonfire, kaya lang epic fail yung marshmallow namin kasi eto ang iksi nung stick. So syempre, hindi kami pwedeng mapaso, so hindi natuloy.
After our camping in Tagpuan campsite, we decided to drop by Daranac Falls, which is about 30 minutes drive from the campsite. So it's 75 pesos entrance fee per head. You can bring your own food. There are also tables and tables available for about 200 or 300 rental. So it's a really steep climb and all the way down to the river itself. And one of the highlights of Daranac Falls is its cliff diving site. There's like an elevated section where you can jump off the water, which is really safe because it's 30 feet of water. And there are marshals that are all over the place for everyone's safety.